But I hope that whatever action they take will not impact on students in the classroom. I think that the students who are attending our secondary schools are entitled to their education. I mean, clearly the ASTI have made a decision, their executive have made a decision. That's something obviously we have to look at. The Haddington Road agreement was negotiated with all of the trade unions, is in place now. The ASTI have chosen not to accept it, and the government will have to accept it.
Is there anything left to renegotiate with them?
No, the Haddington Road will not be renegotiated.
And
all public sector unions have now agreed. I know how difficult it was. We've spent an extraordinary amount of time. I suppose, like all good employers, opening the books of the state as an employer to show that we needed these adjustments, and there's no escaping them. We have to now frame another budget. So I suppose it's remarkable that there's only one union outside the loop right now, and I would ask that we can't change things, so I'd ask that they would reflect again on their situation.
now, they've said they're also going to engage in some limited industrial action from the 2nd of October. What do you have to say to them about that action?
Well, I mean, the education system is one of the drivers of our recovery. Young people get one chance at education normally, and I would ask people, because we can't change things, the Haddington Road Agreement is there. Obviously, it's been implemented from the 1st of July. We need the savings. It's part of the budgetary arithmetic. So I'd ask people to reflect upon it. None of this is easy. None of the work we're doing is easy, but it's not changeable.
Have you had contact with the ASTI about their decision?
No, I will be talking to my colleague, the Minister of Education, later today about it. But as I said, we can't open the agreement again. The agreement has been accepted by the vast bulk of public sector unions and public sector workers. In fact, the majority of teachers. So we need just to get on with making the savings, making the reforms, making the changes, and recovering our economy. And that allows everybody, including the education sector, to have a platform of growth into the future. All right?